In this video, we're going to show how to swap Solana on Trust Wallet. If you don't see Solana on your home screen in Trust Wallet, you need to add it. To do so, select Manage Crypto. Then search for Solana and toggle the button to add it. Now, you should see Solana on your home screen. In order to swap Solana, you have to select the browser button. Enter radium.io. When you see this page, just select Launch App. If you haven't used Radium before, you just need to connect the wallet first. When that's done, you just need to select Solana in the From field. Then select the currency you want to exchange for Solana. Choose the amount of Solana you want to swap and finally select the Swap button. That's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below.